Good morning students, welcome to the online class of Geeta Global School. So students, today from your Together with Journal Awareness book class 5th, we are going to read chapter number 14. Okay. So what is the name of the chapter? High Price. So let's read. Awards are the recognition of a person's achievements. So if you do something good, you are being awarded, isn't it? And matter of some honor and respect and honor is being given to persons. Some awards are of the highest category. So some awards which are given to people, they are of highest category and are given for the greatest achievement. That means if you have achieved something very great, then only you are given those awards. So here in the box, three types of awards are being given. Greatest achievement awards, that is the Nobel Prize, the Bharat Ratna, the Paramveer Chakra. So first, let's know about it. The Nobel Prize. It is the greatest award in the world. I think you have heard also that many great achievers have been awarded with the Nobel Prize award. It was established in the year 1907. So this award was what was the year when it was established that this award will be given to people? In the year 1907. It was instituted after Swedish inventor Alfred Nobel. So after his name, this Nobel Prize was instituted, and it is given every year on the 10th of December on the death anniversary of Alfred Nobel. So Alfred Nobel died on 10th December, and on his death anniversary this Nobel Prize are being awarded. So in which fields the Nobel Prize is being given to people? Like in chemistry, physics, medicine, literature, peace and economics. In the right hand side in the image you can see Alfred Nobel, and after this his name only this prize has been instituted. Now the second type of award is the Bharat Ratna. So this is a civilian award in India. Okay, Paramveer Chakra, military award. If someone in the military army, they do something great. Now see, here are some 6 pictures, and these people have been given Nobel Prize awards. Okay, so we have to identify their names. See, number 1, Rabindranath Tagore. All of you know that he has been awarded with the Nobel Prize for his novel Gitanjali. So what is his field of work for which he has been awarded with Nobel Prize? It is literature. First answer is literature. Second one, Dr. Amartya Sen. So Dr. Amartya Sen has been awarded for economics. Okay. Third one, Dr. C.V. Raman. So C.V. Raman has been awarded with Nobel Prize for physics. Fourth, Dr. Hargobind Khorana. He has been awarded Nobel Prize for medicine. Fifth one, Dr. S. Chandrasekhar. He has also been awarded Nobel Prize for physics. And Mother Teresa, all of you know that she looked after orphanage children, and she has been awarded for peace. Nobel Prize for peace. Okay. So you can see here in the check box. Let's read what is it. The first Bharat Ratna was given in 1954. So what was the year when first time Bharat Ratna award was given? It was in 1954. And you know that India got independence in 1947. And after that in 1954, the first Bharat Ratna award was given to Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. You know who is Dr. S. Radhakrishnan? C. Rajagopalachari and Dr. C.V. Raman. So these 3 people were being awarded with the Bharat Ratna for the very first time in India in the year 1954. So you have to remember all these names. Okay. Now see the second point. The first Paramveer Chakra was awarded. So to whom the first Paramveer Chakra was awarded? To Major Somnath Sarma in the year 1947. So this is the year of independence of India, and in that same year the prize for Paramveer Chakra was awarded to Major Somnath. So hope children you have understood this chapter. Please read it. Thank you.